Hello all, welcome to Cook with Meghna, where I get recipes from my kitchen to yours. Today we are going to be making crispy corn. Now this is another recipe which I have always ordered when I go to my regular Chinese restaurant. Made it sweet and sour today, but if you want to make it spicy, you can do that too, about which I'll tell you while we are tossing it. See the ingredients we require for this: 2 cups of corn kernel, 4 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then we require 1 cup spring onion, 1 small onion chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic. Sauces we require 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 3 tablespoon sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoon chili garlic and 2 tablespoon sesame oil. Let's start preparing it. Take your corn kernels. I've taken the frozen ones. They're a little damp. So I'll take a cloth, put them all on the cloth and tap them so that the extra moisture can be removed. Doing this, we have to make sure we do not over rub them also, as we do not want to dry them completely. Once rubbed, transfer them to a bowl. Then we'll start adding our flours to it. We'll put the corn flour, rice flour and the all-purpose flour to it. After this, we'll add half teaspoon of white pepper here and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them all with a spatula nicely so that each corn kernel is covered with the flour what we had put. For that, take a plate, take a strainer, put the corn kernels in that and dust the extra flour out by shaking all well. It's done. Put them back in the flour which was dusted out. Mix it once again so that it coats really nicely. It's called double coating. Dust them out once again. It will look a little lumpy, but that's not a problem, as by rubbing it again and again, it leaves a little moisture. Fry them. Once you put them in the oil, it will get separated by itself. Fry them to golden and crispy. Once done, strain it out on the tissue paper so that the excess oil can be drained. Corn kernels are fried and ready to be tossed in the sauces. Take a wok, put sesame oil in it. Add your ginger, garlic and onion to it. Add 1 tablespoon of spring onion bulbs also here with the onions. Toss them well on high heat. After stirring the onions for 30 seconds, add half teaspoon of pepper in it. Then add your sauces to it. Now if you want it to be more chili, then reduce the amount of sweet chili sauce and increase the amount of chili sauce in it. You can add chili flakes also here. Now add in your crispy corn. All this stirring and tossing needs to be done on high heat, because if we cook it on slow heat, it will become soggy and we do not want to do that. Add spring onion to it. The crispy corn is ready to serve hot. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates. Please give a thumbs up if you like the recipe and share it with your friends too. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.